started this Hyderabad 10K run in the year 2003. Not many people may be aware. Hyderabad is the first city to have the 10K run. After we started the Hyderabad 10K run, the other cities have started. Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, they all started after the Hyderabad 10K run. And this is the 9th year, as I already mentioned. And the idea of doing that was a group of citizens came together and decided, let's do something for the city which none have done so far, whether it's Hyderabad in any other city, an event which cuts across religious, political, social classes. And then we decided, after a lot of debate, India doesn't have a run of its own. Unlike any other city in the world, whether it's Sydney, whether it's Melbourne, whether it's London, whether it's New York or Boston or Austin, every city has its own run. So that's how the Hyderabad 10K run was born 9 years ago. So basically we had two objectives at that time. One was the larger objective. We wanted to make the Hyderabad 10K run the biggest and the best in the world. The second was the health consciousness. We want to make, promote the healthy way of living, and there's no other better way than promoting physical fitness. I'm sure some of you may be aware, last month, September 19th and 20th, the United Nations made a declaration saying that non-communicable diseases are the new global emergency. This is only the second time in the history of the United Nations General Assembly that the General Assembly is being called for a health-related issue. The last time was 11 or 15 years ago when HIV has been declared as a global emergency. Now this year, the United Nations supported by WHO have declared the non-communicable disease a global emergency. When we say non-communicable diseases, it consists of 4 groups of diseases. 1, cardiovascular diseases, 2, cancer, 3, diabetes, and 4, chronic lung problems. Even though all 4 diseases appear totally separate, cardiovascular is totally separate from cancer, or cancer is totally separate from lung problems, to prevent all these 4 major groups of diseases, the preventive measures are the same thing. Then only 3 activities needs to be done to prevent 80% of the premature non-communicable diseases. One is physical activity. The second is the diet, balanced diet, avoiding unhealthy diet. Third is no tobacco. If we can control these or promote these 3 activities, 80% of premature NCDs can be prevented. These non-communicable diseases, also called the chronic diseases, account for 60% of all global deaths.